Have you ever sent an Excel file to someone only to have a formula accidentally deleted or your spreadsheet messed up? In this video, I'll show you how to lock an entire worksheet while allowing users to enter data only in specific cells. All cells in Excel are marked as locked by default. However, this protection is not active until you enable the Protect Sheet option. To allow users to enter data only in specific fields, we first need to unlock the cells that users are allowed to edit. In this example, I have several input cells. I select them, right-click, and choose Format Cells. Next, I open the Protection tab and clear the checkbox next to Locked. Then I click OK. These cells are now unlocked, but the protection is not active yet. The next step is to right-click the Worksheet tab and then select Protect Sheet. Here, you can optionally set a password and define which actions users will be allowed to perform. Here, you can grant users additional permissions beyond the default cell selection, such as formatting, inserting, or deleting cells, using filters, and more. Once you're done, click OK. Now, if I try to edit a locked cell, Excel displays a message indicating that the worksheet is protected. However, data entry works perfectly in the cells that we unlocked. This is a simple and effective way to protect formulas, headers, and important data while allowing users to edit only designated input fields. A useful feature that can significantly improve the security and professionalism of your Excel documents. Now we have the opposite situation, where all cells in the worksheet need to be unlocked, while the cells in the table need to be locked. First, we need to unlock all cells in the worksheet. Go to Format Cells, open the Protection tab, and clear the Locked option. Next, select the cells that you want to protect from editing. Open Format Cells again. Go to the Protection tab and make sure the Locked option is checked. Now, right-click the Worksheet tab and choose Protect Sheet. Optionally, you can enter a password. By default, users are only allowed to select cells. Click OK. The protected cells in the worksheet are now locked, while all other cells remain available for data entry. If you later need to modify the locked cells or formulas, simply right-click the Worksheet tab and select Unprotect Sheet. Data entry is now enabled again. This technique is commonly used in business reports, cost calculators, budget spreadsheets, inventory tracking systems, and payroll worksheets. It is also extremely useful for any document that will be shared with multiple users.